Yo, what's up everybody? It's me here from Ink by Con Studio, and welcome back to another video. In 2025, YouTube is more powerful than ever, but it's also more competitive. If you want your content to be seen, you need to understand how the algorithm really works. Today, we're breaking down the secrets of the YouTube algorithm and showing you how to win. But before we dive into it, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and get notified when we publish new videos. Okay, let's go. So let's start with a quick history lesson. From humble beginnings in 2005 to the global phenomenon it is today, YouTube has come a long way. In 2025, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry and the second largest search engine in the world. Every day, over 100 million people watch 5 billion videos. That's a lot of views and a lot of competition. The YouTube algorithm isn't magic. It's machine learning. It decides what videos get recommended based on viewer behavior, engagement metrics, and content relevance. But in 2025, things have changed. Let's break it down. Here are the top ranking factors this year. Watch time and session duration. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform longer. Viewer retention. How much of your video do people watch? Click-through rate or CTR. Do your thumbnails and titles make people click? Engagement signals, likes, comments, shares, and even not interested clicks matter. Content quality and relevance. Does your video match what the viewer is looking for? And here are some new signals in 2025. AI-generated content flags, creator consistency, and community interaction. Now let's bust some myths. Here are some common misconceptions about the YouTube algorithm. Upload every day to win. False. Consistency matters more than frequency. The algorithm punishes short videos. False. Engagement determines success, not length. Tags are everything. False. Metadata helps, but user behavior wins. Now let's get into how you can win. Here are some top tips for optimizing your channel. Focus on creating high-retention content. This is key. Craft compelling thumbnails and titles. Encourage viewers to comment and engage. Stay consistent with upload schedules. Use playlists and end screens to boost session time. Respond to comments to build community. And leverage shorts smartly. They can drive discovery. The YouTube algorithm may change, but the goal stays the same. Create value and keep viewers engaged. Stick to these strategies and you'll be well ahead of the game in 2025. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow creators. Don't forget to download our free checklist, How to Beat the YouTube Algorithm in 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Wish you good luck.